Hello students, so we are doing with this chapter number 12 and we are currently doing the sums from the exercise Let's Do Ourselves 12.2. So today we are going to do the sum question number 11, p minus q plus r. You have to find out the square of this using the formula a minus b whole square. So you have to find out p minus q plus r whole square. As you can see that there are three terms, so again we are going to consider two terms as a and one term as b. So I can write this thing as p minus within first brackets q minus r whole square. I think that you understand that we can write this p minus q plus r like this. You can see that if you remove the first brackets, this will become minus q, and since there is a minus sign outside, this minus will become a plus sign. So you are getting p minus q plus r, which is a given expression, and the square of it. Okay, so let a is equal to p and b is equal to q minus r. Okay, so therefore this becomes a minus b whole square. Now we are going to use the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now in place of writing a, we can write p square. From here you are getting 2 into p into, since we have considered q minus r to be b, we are writing in place of b q minus r, and this will become q minus r whole square. Okay, now this will become p square minus 2p into q minus r. Actually you can multiply this in this step also, I just forgot to do that. And q minus r whole square gives you q square minus 2qr plus r square. Since you have used the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now from here you are getting minus 2pq. Check that you have got a minus sign inside the bracket. You have got a minus sign, so that will give you plus 2 into p into r. Okay, minus minus gives you plus, 2p into r gives you 2pr. Okay, and this gives you q square minus 2qr plus r square. If you arrange them, you are getting p square plus q square plus r square minus 2pq minus 2qr plus 2pr. Therefore the answer is p square plus q square plus r square minus 2pq minus 2qr plus 2pr. I think that the sum is clear to everybody. Now we are going to do question number 13. So here you have got 3m cube minus 4n cube, and you have to find out the square of this using the formula. So this is a very simple and straightforward sum. You have to write 3m cube minus 4n cube whole square. Now again you have to use the formula a minus b whole square for this sum. So this becomes 3m cube whole square minus 2 into 3m cube into 4n cube plus 4n cube whole square. Mention the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Note that for the sake of your convenience, if you are finding yourself to be quite confused in this presentation, you can otherwise consider this 3m cube to be a and then 4n cube to be b, like we have done over here. Then use the formula a square minus 2b plus b square. Then in place of writing a, you can write 3m cube, and in place of b you can write 4n cube. That can be done. Okay, now for this one you can see 3 square gives you 9, m cube square gives you m to the power 6, minus 2 into 3 gives you 6, 6 into 4 gives you 24, m cube into n cube gives you m cube n cube, and from here we are getting 4 square 16, and n cube whole square gives you n to the power 6. So therefore the answer is 9m to the power 6 minus 24m cube n cube plus 16n to the power 6. I hope the sums are clear. That's all for this video. Thank you.